Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find games on your Poppo Live application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Poppo Live isn't just a live streaming app, it also lets you play interactive game with other users. These games found in Funland or Fun Island section make streams more exciting and help you earn rewards. So if you can't see the game option in your app, I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how to enable and play. So now first step is to open up the Poppo Live app. So launch Poppo Live on your Android or iOS device. Also make sure you are logged in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create one. It takes only a few moments. Now, once you've created your account and you're on the main screen here of Poppo, look for Funland, or it's sometimes called Fun Island here. So it can be anywhere on the page, particularly on the top here. So if we scroll left to right, if you can't find it, that's okay. But if you can see it, tap to start exploring games directly. If it's missing, basically we need to go ahead and level up before unlocking this feature. So to do this, there are two levels that control access to features like Funland. And now to get to these, to go and have a look at these features, go ahead and click on your profile here. And then from here, click into rankings. I'm pretty certain it is. Nope, it's not rankings. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to scroll down. Here it is here, level. So yeah, this is what we need to do. So you'll be able to see your wealth level and live stream level. Now basically you want to increase your wealth level. So increases when you gift other streamers or friends, or live stream level, so increases when you receive gifts from viewers during your own live streams. You need to reach at least one of the following. So in wealth level, you need to at least get to level 8, or on your live stream level, we need to unlock to at least level 4. Then to unlock games, you need to increase your wealth level, so send gifts to your favorite streamers or host. Around 500,000 coins total are needed to reach level 8, or increase live stream level, so go live and receive gifts from other users. You'll need around 250,000 coins worth of gifts to reach level 4. Once you reach these milestones, Funland unlocks automatically and you're going to be able to view it on the main screen of Poppo Live.